How to edit home or work on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, click on your profile. Now scroll down and click on settings. Now on this page you will find many options. Click on edit home or work, and right here you can edit your home or your work as you want, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.